name is Claire, and I'm actually a boomerang client of Tina's. I had worked out with her in person about maybe 7 or 8 years ago, and I really appreciated the working with Tina. She places an emphasis on strength as opposed to, you know, more the vanity aspects of working out. I learned a lot from Tina, and you know, I really enjoyed the time that we worked out together. However, 5 years ago, I decided on a career change. I went back to graduate school, and I wasn't working at the time that I was in school, so I decided I would work out on my own. I would run and do some yoga, but I also would hit the gym and do some strength training on my own, feeling like, you know, I had learned enough, and I was you know, I had the basics. I could take this on. Fast forward to now, more recently, and I found that I was doing the same workout all the time in the gym. I would, you know, go in and hit maybe the same 3 or 4 machines, and I realized I wasn't seeing any progress. I wasn't pushing myself to do anything more than what I knew to do, and I definitely wasn't seeing any progress. I wouldn't increase my weight, for example. So, you know, that was the biggest struggle for me. I then, you know, decided I would reach out to Tina, because I really, you know, I did need some help with this. So now, Tina, I've been working with Tina, I think like maybe 5 or 6 months now, and definitely seeing more results. She helps me, she programs for me workouts about 35 to 45 minutes long, so I don't go into the gym kind of going, oh, what am I going to do? You know, I'm able to use my time pretty efficiently. In, you know, in those kind of not necessarily short, but just, you know, like 45-minute workouts a couple of times a week, I have been seeing results. I'm back to being able to do my push-ups, for example. I had lost them because I wasn't, you know, pushing myself to do them previously, and, you know, my core just feels stronger when I'm doing, you know, when I am working out or doing some other things. My running has improved, and it really has made a big difference for me. So I would highly recommend working with Tina. I have recommended her to some friends, I'm happy to say, and it really, like I said, Tina's emphasis is on strength, and I think it makes a big difference. It's a nice kind of added bonus to be able to see, you know, some of the physical benefits, and, you know, reap those vanity rewards, but just knowing that you're prioritizing your strength, knowing that, you know, I'm maintaining my strength, and kind of making that investment for myself. I feel confident that I will be able to age gracefully. So I highly recommend working with Tina.